So the first thing that we need to know, after we now know how to hold our hook and how to hold our yarn in our hands, how to start our work, which is a slip knot, or the first stitch ever that you are, every time I start working anything, you need to do it. So you have your tail light here at the beginning of your work in yarn. Your hook is here. So what you need to do is just make one simple knot to start your work every time. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hold the yarn just like that in two pieces, and always leave a nice tail so you can have a nice length of the tail. You can hide it inside the work, weave it inside your work after you finish whatever you are doing. Always leave a nice tail so you can have it on your tapestry needle or using your crochet hook to hide that inside your work and make everything look beautiful and neat without having like a small loose ends coming from your work. So this is like make your work more professional and more like neat and finishing. So it's really important. So leave a nice tail like this, hold it like this, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna twist it, just very simple, twist it like this, and just with my two fingers here, I'm gonna grab that tail here. So I have the tail. It doesn't matter what you're grabbing, this one or this one, doesn't matter, just grab one end of these. So I have my twist, grab it, and just have this knot here. As you can see, it's a knot, so that's why it's called slip knot, and just complete grabbing until you have this beautiful small knot here. And you have a really wide kind of a like opening and your hook, and then just grab the yarn like this until you have it very nicely on your hook. Don't grab it very tightly. You don't want to have a really tight stitch because that would be so hard to work, because you need a space here to have the hook go through the loop, just like that. Okay, let's do it again. So let's do it again. You have my two strands. Okay, just flip it, and then have my two fingers, grab one of the strands. Now I'm having the connecting yarn. Just grab it like this, have a little knot, finish it with my hook, just go in here and just grab it just like that. I have a nice tail, my connecting yarn, and I'm ready to work. Okay, just hold the yarn and start work. So let's go to the first thing, which is a chain, which is the basic of every work. You need to know how to do your chain nicely because it's the most important, it's the basic of anything. So let's go to it.